In this video, I'll show you how you can fix a supported game is required to use this feature. Now the way that you can solve this is first you want to open up your GeForce experience, or if you use the new app called Nvidia, both of them will work. Now head over to settings, it's either here or up here. And in here what you want to do is find Nvidia overlay and make sure this one is turned off. Now once you've done that, you want to come down here and search for services, open it up, click anywhere and press N. And in here we want to find Nvidia display container, double click, make sure it's automatic and running, find Nvidia local system, make sure it's automatic and running, and then what you want to do is right click, restart on both of these. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is close this down and open up your GeForce again or the Nvidia. Head over to drivers and make sure you take the latest driver. Now once you've done all of this, it should work. Otherwise, you can simply restart your PC and these actions will work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.